Hello everyone, today I will show you how to fix YouTube channel not showing up in search, and here's how it's done. First, this guide also works on mobile devices. Just use a browser and switch to desktop mode to view YouTube as you would on a desktop. To check where your channel ranks, use incognito mode in Chrome or your preferred browser. This ensures you are viewing the search results without any personal browsing history affecting the results. After searching for your channel, you will get a more accurate ranking. Next, improve your channel's visibility by adding your channel name to the About section. Go to Customize Channel, then Basic Info, and add your channel name to the description. This helps improve your channel's SEO. Also include your channel name in your channel tags. Go to Settings, Channel, then add your channel name in different variations. Make sure to save your changes. Another tip is to add your channel name to your video tags and video description. In the video tags, add your channel name too, then save the changes. You can also try searching for your channel name in the YouTube search bar. If it doesn't show up right away, use the filter options and select channel. This will make your channel appear in search results. Please note, it may take a few hours or days for changes to show up, so be patient. And the most important thing for visibility is to grow your channel. More subscribers and viewers mean YouTube will rank your channel higher in search results because it considers it relevant. And that is everything you need to know about how to fix YouTube channel not showing up in search. Before we end, may I humbly ask you a favor? Please do like, share, and subscribe to our channel. This means the world to us. Thank you so much for watching. We hope to see you in our next video.